Hello guys, welcome to the Fine Timer YouTube channel right here. And right here today I wanna show you my Etoro dashboard live, since I want us to do a live trading session today, since there is some videos we have been talking on stocks but we hadn't done a live session as I show you exactly how I trade, guys. And today I'm gonna start researching the stock in which we are going to trade today. I'm gonna start doing this research so that I find a suitable company right here on Etoro which we can trade today, guys. And so right here I'm checking out which companies have the best earnings calendar so that we know and we determine. There is a way I'm determining this, and I've formed a group where you can come and we can discuss and share our moves. And if you wanna join that group, just make sure to check the link at the description area below and you can get the join link right there. So right now I'm researching about Charter Communications Company. This is a company which provides communication services, and I'm checking out its earning calendar. It has been dropping there a bit and it had been performing quite well right here over the time, and lately it has dropped, meaning it has the good potential to come back since its chart is really impressive and it performs quite well. And this stock really has good potential to perform. So guys, right here I'll decide upon this and I'll take this Chartered Communication stock and we will go with this as our stock for trading today right here on Etoro. So I'll just buy it since I had some and I buy it, and now wait for it to start picking. So let's see, I'm just checking out some things as I'm waiting for it to start coming up. And it's I like to dig a bit into the history of a company before I invest to it. I just check it out, I know its background, so that because every investment is a risk, and if you make a move to invest, you're prepared for risk at any time. So this is why I usually like to do my own background checks before I invest in any company. So right here Etoro has very many companies which you can trade and research yourself like this. Before you invest in any company, just research and know more about it before placing your money right there. So me, I did a research and there it is picking. It's starting to pick, right, as you can see right here. So I'll just place it. I wanna place this there since the market had not yet started, but you see I've placed my order, which I'm marking it to be released at market, that immediately the market comes on my order, the market is just about to come, and once it comes everything will go green and the trading will just be live. This is why you see that I'm just doing a bit research. I'm doing some bit research so that once the market is live, I'll just focus on the market alone, since I've already done my own personal research. I mean, you must start your trading early before the market opens. So before the market opens, this is time for researching the company, knowing more about it, because once the market has opened, you must be watch over your stock. And you might be asking how many hours I trade in a day. For me, I do 5 hours of trading in a day, or at times I could extend. I could tap the first 5 hours and then go chill a bit, and then in the time when the market is about to close, I come back again and I check it out a bit, since I'm a day trader and I ought to be checking the market always. So I've really checked a lot about chartered communications, and I've loved this stock. This is why I've chose to invest on it right here, because I've loved it a lot. And right here you see it has gone to a dip and the market started already. As you can see, the chartered communication stock right there, it had taken a dip, but soon, I know it's anytime just now that I start recovering my money. So this that's the profit right there. You see, it's a profit right there. It's a green. I'll close it. No, I'll wait. Let's wait and see how much it can reach, and close it and lock in all the profits. Okay, so that was, yeah, close it. Let me just hold on, guys. And let's check this out. Oh my. And I think this stock will perform quite well this time, and I think I've chosen a good choice, depending on all the background checks I've done and everything I've done. I've checked about this stock. I am confident that I have made a good choice and it's not gonna let me down. So I just wanna check this out. So guys, I'll do a part 2 of this video. As I'm locking in all those profits, and you will see it live, guys. Right now I'm revealing to you everything live as it is, guys. So see you in the next video, man. Cheers and subscribe.